uterus tends to expand during pregnancy, which ends up putting excess strain on the lower back. Additionally, a hormone called progesterone is released during pregnancy to loosen and relax the pelvic floor to enable a smooth delivery. All these changes combined tend to cause lower back pain even after months of delivery. Therefore, it's advisable for new mothers to practice a few asanas daily, which help to relieve the discomfort in the lower back. In this video, I will cover the top 3 asanas that will help reduce lower back pain. The Agnistambha asana or fire log pose is one of the most effective asanas to relieve lower back pain. A new mother is practically on her feet throughout the day. This, combined with the excess weight around your midriff, tends to compress the muscles and vertebrae of your lower back, causing discomfort and pain. Practicing this asana will gently decompress the tight and sore back muscles and will provide instant relief from the pain. Start by sitting on the floor with your legs extended out in front of you. Next, bend your right leg at the knee and fold it in. The thigh and the shin should be at a right angle. Then bend your left leg in the exact same way, but this time place the leg on top of the right leg. The left ankle should be directly on top of the right knee, and the left knee should be on top of the right ankle. Now, place your hands on the floor in front of you and start to walk the hands forward slowly. At one point, you will start to feel a stretch either on your glutes or on your lower back. Stay with this stretch and see if you can slowly go further. Go as far as you can without straining yourself. You should be able to take deep breaths in the final posture. Take 3 long breaths. And after 3 long breaths, walk your hands back and repeat the same posture, this time with the left leg on the floor and the right leg on top of it, like this. Extend the legs out. This time fold the left leg in, right leg on top. Now, if you find that it is simply impossible for you to bend your legs, or if you have a knee that doesn't sit on the heel, then you can take a pillow or a folded blanket and place it between the knee and the heel. And continue the posture in the exact same way. Place your hands on the floor and walk forward. Over here, you're going to take 3 long breaths. And once you're done, you're going to walk your hands back. To come out of the posture, simply remove the folded blanket and extend the legs forward. This asana, if performed slowly and gently, can be done even without a warm-up. You can perform it anytime during the day, especially when you feel discomfort in your back. It's a great practice to perform this asana daily before you go to bed. You can easily practice this on your bed itself. It's important for new mothers to manage their back pain, as mild pain can quickly become severe and even chronic. One of the most common causes for lower back pain is tight hamstring muscles and glutes. These tight muscles tend to continuously pull the muscles in the lower back, causing pain and discomfort. The Supta Padangushtasana, or lying down extended hand to big toe pose, is an important posture to loosen the tight hamstring muscles and glutes. This in turn helps to alleviate lower back pain. For this posture, you will need a dupatta or a yoga belt. You're going to lie down on the floor with your knees bent and your feet hip-width distance apart. Place a pillow, a small cushion or a folded blanket under your head so that it's more comfortable for you. Now, you're going to lift the right leg up and straddle the right foot with the belt. Now slowly extend the right leg up as far up as you can and make it as straight as possible. For many of you, you may not be able to get the leg at 90 degrees, which is totally fine. You can keep your leg here as well. Stay in this posture. After about 3 to 5 breaths, go ahead and try to straighten the left leg. make sure that you drag the left leg along the floor as you straighten it instead of lifting it up and straightening it. You do not want to lift up and straighten. Instead, gently extend the leg out, scraping it across your yoga mat until the leg is straight and flat on the floor. In the final position, both legs should make a 90-degree angle. Make sure the sole of the leg which is extended up, which is the right leg in this case, is facing the ceiling and is flat. Now repeat on the other side. To repeat on the other side, simply bring the left leg up, place it on the inside of the belt and bring the right leg down. Once you're comfortable in this position with the leg as straight as you can get it, start to extend the right leg out. Once again, remember that you're not lifting the leg up to extend, you're gently scraping it across along the mat until the leg is absolutely straight. You can hold this for up to 3 to 5 breaths. When you're finally done, bend both knees and place the feet on the floor again. Now, many of you may not be able to straighten the leg out completely on the floor. For this, you can use a bolster or a pillow and place it right under your legs, right behind the knee. And once again, take the same position where you're lying down on the floor, extend the right leg up, and to help the left leg come down and become straight, you want to push the left leg down as much as you can on the bolster. This will also strengthen the muscles of the left leg. And once you're done with 3 to 5 breaths on one side, you can fold the legs, bring the left leg up, right leg down, and once again extend the left leg up and try and straighten the right leg by pushing the knee down into the bolster or the pillow. Once you're done with 3 to 5 deep breaths here, release the leg and bring both feet down on the floor. Due to your busy schedule, there will be days when you won't have the time or even the inclination to perform yogasanas. The Supta Padangushtasana is a useful asana for such days. Just by devoting 5 to 10 minutes to this asana will make you feel instantly energized. More often than not, the reason for lower back pain is a tired back. You can get instant relief just by relaxing these tired back muscles. The Baddha Konasana, popularly known as the butterfly posture, helps to gently open up the tight groin and hip muscles, which in turn release and relax the lower back. Start by sitting on the floor with your legs extended out in front of you. Then bend your right leg and bring the heel to rest close to the groin. Do the same with the left leg, placing the soles of the feet against each other. Hold your toes, keeping your back straight. Hold for 3 breaths. To intensify the posture, try placing your hands on the floor and walking them forward. Stay here for 3 breaths. And when you're ready to come out of the posture, walk the hands back and come back to this position. Now, many of you may not be able to place the thighs on the floor like this. In that case, place cushions or bolsters or even pillows under your thighs. And the pose will instantly become more accessible for you. To come out of the posture, straighten the right leg and then the left leg. The Baddha Konasana is also known as the cobbler's pose. Think about that the next time you see a cobbler.